So this is the fourth time I'm uploading this video. Every time I upload it, I screw up one of the settings. And I'm doing this in a rush. So very important thing, always take your time. Make sure you do it right the first time. So yeah, let's roll the intro. Enjoy the video. So today is definitely a good day on the water. Great blue herons left, right, and center. Seeing them all over the place. I've already shot a whole bunch of pictures, so we're gonna have a look and see. Oh, there's one right over there. See if I could get some videos so you guys can see what he looks like. Alrighty, so he's right there. This is being shot on my iPhone, so sorry if it's not that good quality, but so I'm shooting with the 150 to 600. See if I could get some video with this. I don't know how stable it's going to be, but we'll give it a try. Alrighty, so I think we harassed that bird enough. Let's move on and see if we can find another bird. So it looks like I have geese up ahead, right over there. Get some photos of those guys. There's turtles all over the place too. You ever get a chance to come out to Petrie Island, go kayaking? Do it. You can rent kayaks here and everything, so it's awesome. It's beautiful here. I love it. You know, I could spend the entire day here. I never get tired of this place. But I've got a whole bunch of stuff to do. I gotta go to Costco. Yeah, shoot me now. And so yeah, I think it's time to head back. And maybe we'll see some other birds on the way back. But if not, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video already. Thanks. Peace.